Finding fossils can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it requires patience, knowledge, and the right approach. Here's how to find fossils. Research fossil locations. Start by researching areas known for fossil discoveries. Geological maps, local museums, or online resources can provide valuable information about fossil-rich regions. Get permission. Before fossil hunting on private land or protected areas, obtain the necessary permissions or permits. Respect landowners' rules and guidelines. Tools and safety. Equip yourself with essential tools like rock hammers, chisels, brushes, safety goggles, and gloves. Wear appropriate clothing and footwear for the terrain. Identify fossil-bearing rocks. Learn to recognize the types of rocks that often contain fossils, such as sedimentary rocks like shale, limestone, and sandstone. Search near water. Fossils are commonly found near bodies of water, as sediments accumulate there over time. Look along river banks, cliffs, or beaches. Use the sun. Fossils are often easier to spot when the sun is at a low angle, casting shadows that highlight their contours. Look for imprints. Search for impressions, molds, or casts of ancient organisms. Fossils can be imprints of shells, leaves, or even dinosaur tracks. Be patient. Fossil hunting can be slow and meticulous work. Scan the ground carefully and don't overlook small details. Document and record. Take photographs and notes about your findings, including location, rock type, and any associated fossils. This data can be valuable for research and documentation. Respect nature. Leave no trace and preserve the environment. Follow ethical practices and don't damage the rocks or fossils you find. Join fossil clubs. Consider joining local fossil hunting clubs or forums. Experienced members can provide guidance and share their knowledge.